This video is about how to assemble the disinfection gate. When you receive the package, you will see there are 4 parts, left and right door panels. You need to put it in vertical like this in the right direction. Next, you can see another 2 parts. Place it like this on the ground so it will be easier for you to fix it. The first part you can see is the LED board with the automatic sensor placed on it, and the second part you can also see the screws, and on the right side you can see the pedal, which will also need to be fixed to the door panels. Now the first step, put this part in the bottom part of the disinfection gate. You need 2 peoples. You can see 2 holes there. You need to pinpoint the holes and use the screws to fix. Make sure you fix it and make it stable. And the second, place the plate on top and also screw the right screw tie so that you finish the bottom part of the disinfection gate. Next, you will need to put the LED board on top. Here you will need 3 people to place it in the right direction and into the right place. Now, the first one, you need to hold it, and you can also see there 2 wires from 2 door panels. Put it into the hole so that it will put it inside. Make sure put all the wires inside into this hole. And adjust to the right angle. And then you will also need to use the screws to fix it. This step is to put the cabinet, the disinfection cabinet, on the bottom of the door. Like this. Put it inside so that it can inject the liquid. Make sure you put in the right direction and then lock the door. Now you finish the assemble part of the disinfection gate. Now it will look like this. Make sure it's stable. And then check here, this is the control panel. The indicator light, and this is on and off button. Just press the button and the spring will be on. That's all.